We are about to make a killer baked potato. Check it out, y'all. We're gonna use some kosher salt. We're gonna season up these here chicken tenders up. Yeah, I said chicken tenders for a loaded baked potato. Now we got some ground black pepper. Yes, indeed. When I'm telling you guys, this is gonna be flavored, packed to the brim. And we have some chicken flavoring. Yes, indeed. We're about to do this thing, y'all. And we have some all-in-one Spain spices. That's all-purpose seasonings for you guys who can't get that Spain spices. Then we have some Spain's garlic and herb seasoning. Yes, indeed, y'all. I'm loving this stuff here. And we're gonna throw in some of this here lemon pepper seasoning on these here chicken tenders. And we have some oregano, basil, and tomato season blend. I got this at Ross, y'all. And we got some parsley flakes. Yes. Let's go ahead and do the dang thing. Let's blend all of this stuff together, y'all. Look at them chicken tenders. I'm telling you, look at the seasoning. If you can't see your seasoning in your food, then you ain't cooking. Now, it ain't complete unless you put that complete seasoning in it. And once you add the complete seasoning at the end, go ahead and mix it all into that seasoning. And then we're gonna go ahead and get our batter ready for our fried chicken tenders. So I got 3 eggs in it, plus I'm throwing in some milk along with some hot sauce. And I got some of that oregano, basil, and tomato blend. Yes, I got that at Ross. And I'm just mixing this up well. Just mix it up, y'all. This is our batter for our fried chicken tenders. Look at it. Now we're gonna go ahead and put our flour mixture together. I got some cornstarch. And I have some self-rising flour. You could use all-purpose with this also. And I got some of my favorite chicken seasoning mix. This is chicken breaded mix spicy. All right, so if you want to try to use some of this here breaded mix, go and buy some of your favorite chicken breader and add it to this here recipe. You know what I mean? It'll work just as fine. All right, so I just want to shake this here pan together to combine those flavors. And as you can see, I'm not adding no seasoning to this here flour. The chicken tenders are already seasoned to the max, I'm telling you. Now I'm taking this here seasoned chicken tenders and putting them into that flour. And the next thing I want to do after that, I want to go ahead and dredge it inside of that there batter, that egg wash batter. Look how seasoned that stuff is. That's why I'm telling you, you don't have to season your flour. All right. So I want you guys to check out this here video. Serious. Stay to the end. Don't miss it. We're cooking this in some vegetable oil, and our temperature is set at 350 degrees. Cook this chicken until the chicken floats. Once it floats, it's done. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and prepare our baked potatoes. I want you guys to hit that icon above. That will show you exactly how I prepare my stuffing for this here baked potato. The first thing I wanna do is I wanna take me some of this here shredded cheese and put it right on top of that baked potato. And I did season these potatoes up before I put the cheese on. Now I'm gonna toss them right in the oven. I got the broil set on high, and I just want to melt this here cheese. Now here comes the stuffing, the stuffing for these here baked potatoes. And these are some cheesy stuffing baked potatoes. Check out that icon below if you want to get the recipe. Now I'm adding on more cheese on top of this here, and I'm placing these crispy, golden, tasty, seasoned to the max chicken tenders right on top, adding more cheese, putting them right back under the oven in the broiler, letting the cheese melt. Check this out, y'all. I want to thank my man Thyron from TNT Barbecue and my YouTube family for helping me create this here baked potato recipe. I couldn't do this without you guys, man. I'm telling you, and I'm thankful that I went to you guys for this inspiration. Here's a question for you guys and gals. Will you eat this baked potato with this onion gravy? Yes, the onion gravy. Just give me an answer in the comment section below. Looks so good. I want to thank you so much for checking out this here video. If you are not a subscriber of this YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell. You will be notified of up and coming videos. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that like button, and drop a comment below. Yes, indeed, more videos like this is coming. More baked potatoes like this is coming. I'm loving you guys. At the end of my videos, I always say love and not hate. Love somebody. Peace.